and this time it's coming in from the state of West Bengal. For the first time since the death of Haragobindo Das and Chandan Das in Murshidabad, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is set to visit the conflict-hit Murshidabad. Remember, this visit comes 23 days after the exodus of Hindu families from Murshidabad following the large-scale violence that broke out during the protests against the Waqf Amendment Act. Interestingly, this visit also comes just a day after West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose submitted a report to the Home Minister on the violence that shook Murshidabad. In this report, the Bengal Governor states that the state government was aware of rising tensions and did nothing. The violence, far from being spontaneous, as per the governor in his report, appeared systemic. This also raised serious questions about the complicity or gross negligence. In the report, the governor further stated that Hindus were being targeted with what appears to be an attempt to erase the cultural identity of a specific group. The report further flags radicalization and militancy as serious and growing threats in the state of West Bengal. Now, the governor has also urged the centre to act. The report recommends a new law empowering the centre to take over law and order in a state when it clearly fails. So, ahead of the visit,
आप लोगों को पता है कि मुर्शिदाबाद में जो हिंसा का घटना जो हुआ है कि फैमिली आज कोलकाता में थी, सॉल्ट लेक में थी, तो वो लोग हाई कोर्ट में मामला दर्ज करना चाहते हैं कि ये जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन है अगर पुलिस के पास रहे तो ये कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो सकती है। तो अभी इस बीच जो सुनने में आ रहा है ममता बनर्जी उस जगह में जाने वाली है और ये परिवार ममता बनर्जी से मिलना नहीं चाहती। तो इस बीच पुलिस को ये दायित्व दिया गया था कि उन लोगों को एकदम किडनैप करके वहां पे ममता बनर्जी के सामने हाजिर किया जाए। ये जो आज जो घटना घटा है, पुलिस ने प्रैक्टिकली गुंडों जैसा काम किया है। घर के अंदर आके दरवाजा तोड़ के ये लोगों को उठाने जाने वाला ये जो साजिश रचा गया था, वो शुभेंदु अधिकारी राज्य के जो नेता प्रतिपक्ष है उनके निर्देश में हम लोग सब आए थे और इन लोगों को रोक दिया गया।
So you heard that stunning allegation made by leaders of the BJP. The BJP is saying that families of the victims Haragobindo Das and Chandan Das attempted to they were taken away forcibly, and the charge is that they were kidnapped to stage a photo op. That's the charge coming in from the BJP. What is the Congress party saying? Now, the Congress party has also weighed in. It is accusing Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee of engaging in what Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary says is riot tourism. He also says that this visit is just too little, too late.
ममता बनर्जी मुर्शिदाबाद में आ रही है। घटना घटने की कितने दिन बाद आप खुद देख रहे हैं। जब सारे हालात सामान्य होते जा रहे हैं तो यहां आकर वो झूठ की और गुमराह करने की पुलिंदा निकालेंगे। जब खून बह रहे थे, दीदी हमारे चुप थी। उस समय उनके दूसरे काम थे, कहीं मंदिर उद्घाटन, कहीं मंदिर बनाना, देवता को प्राण लाना, बहुत सारे काम थे उनकी।
Pooja stays with us. Pooja, give us the highlights of the governor's report, and do you have any information on on how the centre is responding to the findings that the governor made in this report?
Well, the Bengal Governor Dr. C.V. Anand Bose has now in fact filed its report to the central government. However, the central government is completely tight-lipped on the kind of actions they are going to take in West Bengal. But currently what we're given to understand is that this report was compiled by the West Bengal governor after he visited the violence-hit areas. Remember the areas of Murshidabad like Samsherganj and Dhulian, where violent clashes broke out almost 3 weeks back. But now, in this point in time, the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will be visiting the riot-hit areas almost 3 weeks after this area was shook by violence and also saw targeting of the Hindu community. We've seen how Hindu families had to flee to the nearby Malda district to save their lives. They were all escaping, and also saw a major exodus of the Hindu community. But at this point in time, the one particular family in focus right now is the of Hargobind Das and Chanda Das, who were hacked to death by these rioters when violent crashes broke out in Samsherganj. But we've seen yesterday how the Murshidabad police, accompanied by local police, tried to enter the house in which this particular family is being sheltered by the BJP leaders, especially the leader of opposition, Mr. Shuvendu Adhikari. And the police claims that there was apparently a complaint by one of the family members that the family members of Hargobind Das and Chanda Das have been kidnapped and been taken to Calcutta. But thereafter, the BJP leaders who are now sheltering the family prevented police from taking them away and said that they are in Calcutta because they want to file a matter in the Calcutta High Court, saying that they have no faith on West Bengal police and are demanding the Calcutta High Court order approved to a different agency.
So all eyes now will be on the Chief Minister and her visit to Murshidabad at a time when there are stunning allegations being made by the BJP, and also when the focus is on the report made by the governor and his findings on what exactly happened in Murshidabad. Thank you so much, Pooja, for joining us. With that, it's time for us to take a short commercial break. We'll be back with more news and updates. Stay with Times Now.